Well, welcome back to any of my returning viewers. Welcome if you're a new viewer. I want to thank everybody who's supported me and liked and subscribed to the channel. That's great. Everybody's got to start somewhere. So, yeah, with that being said, let me update you on what I'm up to now. Alright, so the roof is lifted off of there. I haven't taken it completely out because I'm waiting for my sons to give me a hand, because that's a little too much for this old man to carry by himself. But you can see we've got it separated, and she's just floating there waiting to go. But in the meantime, I have these pieces that have to go in on the back there that go around the tailgate. But this piece here is in pretty tough shape. Well, they both are really, but like I said, they used a hammer and a chisel or something, or a gopher, to gnaw this thing off of the car way back when. I don't imagine they had cordless cutoff wheels or anything like that back in '74 when they did this. I've got this piece here, but I also have up here another 57 skin that came off a two-door that is a lot straighter as far as the outside skin goes than that skin there. It just has this little bit here that's got to be fixed on the bottom, and we're going to use this part up here so you don't have to worry about that. So basically these things are two-piece. I need to stop saying basically. But anyway, they're two-piece, and they have a seam there where the trim piece goes. So what we're going to do is split this apart and put this skin on the outside of the tailgate skin, and that'll fix all this dents and garbage and everything that's going on there. So I'll do a little bit of work and then I'll show you how it's going. Well, first things first, let's get our first look at the old girl Topless. As you can see, we made a big tub. But yeah, we've definitely entered the point of no return. So that's what she looks like topless. Now what we're doing over here is we split that outer skin off of that old quarter panel, and we'll do the same thing on this piece here. We'll split the outer skin, save what we have to save, and I use the trim holes as a guide to where this had to be, because the trim holes are universal on these. If they line up, then you're in the right spot. We're not going to use this whole panel. I'm just going to use as much of it as I need, because the panel behind it's not bad, and the panel down there where this one is rusty, the panel behind it is not bad. So we'll cut that off and line it up, and then we'll figure out what we got to do for the inside bits there, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. I'll bring you back when I get a little further along. Here I thought I'd bring you back and give you a taste of what we got going on here. Basically, there I go, basically again. I guess it's better than saying But anyway, I patched in that piece that I cut off earlier to get rid of all the dented stuff, and the tailgate section there. For the Nomad, I cut this piece off that was pretty much junk and basically combined what was good about that with what was good on the two-door and what was good on the red piece of quarter panel section I had, and it got rid of this mess here that was all bent up. There was no saving that. So that gives us an idea. We got to do the same thing on the other side. And unfortunately, I don't have another quarter skin for the passenger side. This one's bent up, not nearly as bad as the other side was, but I'm going to have to split this one and straighten it as best I can and use it. I do have lower quarter sections for that wheel lip that'll fix that wheel lip where it's rotted through. I've got a quarter I can cut up to fix that. I just don't have a 57 rear fin for this side. But we'll straighten it out and do like I did on the other side, split it on the seam and weld in the other inner on this side so that I have my posts at the front and the back, and then we'll bring in the roof. We'll tack the roof at the windshield posts just enough to hold it, and then we'll use my engine hoist over there to kind of support the roof and tack the rear posts to the roof, and then use the engine hoist to kind of hold it up while we locate the B pillars where they have to be and level everything out and start cinching it in. You can see how all that has to be rebuilt. Back when that Nomad was scrapped, you could see they used tin and screws and everything. It was a pretty rotten car, which it's hard to believe it was only a 17-year-old car at the time, but up here in the Northeast the salt destroys them. So we'll get that situated, and then we'll redo the inner wheel wells and rebuild that inner support. We'll have to fabricate that because I don't have that piece, and we'll have to do the same thing on both sides. But we're making progress, and I want to thank everybody who's liked and subscribed and everybody who's kind of interested in this project and want to see how it turns out, and so do I. So we'll keep plugging away, and again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.